What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on XLM, and in today's one it is positive guys. It is moving towards the positive direction. It is up 9% in the last 24 hours and it's currently trading at 14 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to head towards the 20 cents target over the next couple of hours and days, or is it going to drop down in value? So we are going to be looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can XLM go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? And we are also going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it, or should you simply hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So the crypto market, according to Coinbase, is up 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and we do have XLM as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it has managed to gain 1.5%, as you guys can see here. It's been quite volatile up and down, but overall it has been moving towards a positive direction. Over the last day, nearly 10% up. Over the week, a huge 45% guys. We can see a major pump here on the 13th of July, which all of you guys should probably know by now. It was because of their XRP lawsuit that was approved, and they won the case. So yes, it had a major impact on the crypto market, but the three main cryptos that have been affected other than XRP was XLM, ADA and Solana. But ever since then, it has taken a slight dip in value, dropping down in about 13 cents. As you can see here, it did pump up to about 20 cents on the 13th of July, and right now trading at 14 cents. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 100%, making it $325 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on XLM. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is gaining value right now. It's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and is one of the top trending cryptos in the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of XLM, which is here in purple at 11 cents. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in green at 14 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The orange line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction. The blue line is also looking slightly bearish, also heading towards a negative direction. So meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from XLM over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect XLM to be trading at slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, that doesn't mean it's going to start pumping right now. It's going to start dropping in value. No guys, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, potentially hitting about 15 to 16 cents over the next couple of hours before it starts to slowly drop back down in value towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But again, the drop, I'm not expecting no major drops. I'm expecting it in fact to drop just above 13 cents. So 0.13 to 0.135 is where I'm expecting XLM to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So yes, do expect more green candles before it slowly starts to take a little step back. Now Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading towards a positive direction, slanting towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from XLM over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week, XLM should be more or less trading at around 17 to 18 cents is where I'm expecting it. Again, nothing too crazy, nothing major. Slow and steady increase in value is the way forward. So around 17 to 18 cents is where XLM should be trading at by mid next week. And again guys, that also does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit red days in between as well, take a little step back, but again, the green days are very likely to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from XLM over the next 7 to 8 days. Now let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking quite steep, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, they are looking quite steep, as you can see here, meaning it's not realistic. As mentioned plenty of times before, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, either going in a bullish or bearish direction, that means it's not realistic, and the exact same applies here. So what I'm expecting through XLM over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say early to mid September 2023, is again an overall increase in value. However, nothing too crazy, not a huge pump like we're seeing here, potentially hitting about 25 to 30 cents by September 2023 is what I'm expecting from XLM. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market performs, and in specific XLM, if they've got any news, any updates that come across that can have either a potential positive or negative impact on its value. But either way, that is why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, is there a pump coming, is there a crash coming, so on and so on. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for XLM over the long term as well, the next couple of months. But the main question is, as mentioned in the thumbnail, is it likely to hit the 50 cents target this year? Bearing in mind we've got about 6 months left towards the end of the year, 5 to 6 months left, guys, which is not that long if you ask me for crypto to pump up that much. Again, questionable. 50 cents is quite a long way to go for XLM, especially that it's only at 14 cents right now. It's gonna have to go through about more than double its value, guys. Nearly, yeah, it's gonna have to go for a major increase, a couple of 100% increases, which I am not expecting from XLM, unless of course the Bitcoin pumps up to 40-50k. Then we may see major increases in the crypto market, including XLM. But at the moment, the way the crypto market is, I am not expecting XLM to be hitting 50 cents this year, but potentially Q1 or Q2 of 2024 we should see XLM hitting 50 cents. But again, if there are any major updates that can either delay or make XLM hit the 50 cents target anytime soon, then I will of course keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on XLM. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also, guys, any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll be sure to do that. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.